Welcome to another video. This is the CYPRESS by Cornerstone Development. This home is 1,692 square feet. It has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and the floor plan, it's giving. It's definitely got some space. It feels bigger than what it is on the inside. From the outside, it looks a little small, looks a little quaint, but here we are. This is the bathroom. This is the room that as soon as you come into the house and you hit a left, this is the bathroom, a full bathroom right here. I'm not a fan of the area of the full bathroom being right there by the door, but I can see how that can be useful. So that's where the bathroom is. It's very cute. That was the sneak peek of the main area. This is the second bedroom because it's not the master. So it's the second bedroom. It's a decent size. It's got a nice little closet. It's right there when you come into the house if you go to your right. And then if you keep going through the hallway, you've got the master suite. So here's the master bath. Again, very cute. It really is a cute home. Very upscale, but cute too. It's giving. It really is. Cute, sophisticated. That's what it is. It's cute, sophisticated. Okay. Not a full bath, but I mean, you have the other bathroom and you do have that full gorgeous shower. So then we're going to go to the right and we're going to have a little look at the closet because you know we got to get up in there. Here's the closet, nice size, it's deep. You can walk in, twirl around, get some space. And if you were to put some like dividers in there, you could really open that up. Okay, so here's the master bedroom. It's got tray vaulted ceilings, which I love. It makes it feel bigger and more luxurious and better. And always. So there's windows, as you can see, all around. I am not a huge fan of that either, but for the light lovers, natural sunlight lovers, oh my god, can you not get that in this bedroom? It's gorgeous. I mean, there's windows on every wall. It's cute. All right, we're gonna keep going. So here's another look at the bathroom, another look at the bedroom, a quick little turn around so you can see what's happening. Okay, so here's the main area. This is the living room, dining room, kitchen area, and if you can peek through all the way across, that is the sunroom. So let's get into this. So here we go. You got a full fireplace, light bricks, light wood, white trim, clean, beautiful. Here's your dining room that is also hand in hand with the sunroom that I absolutely love. I love Cornerstone Development's sunrooms. They're gorgeous. So here's the dining room. Nice size. I mean, it's already open and airy. You have that bar around the kitchen that we're going to see in a second. So you have that space too. Here is the beautiful sunroom. Yes. Now this is a room that I understand all of the windows and the light. I love it. Yes. Okay. Bar. Huge bar. The camera is not getting everything like you. It's bigger in person. It's bigger in person. So Ah, isn't this kitchen just beautiful? Oh my goodness. You got a little extra side storage right there. Oh, this kitchen is just so cute. It really is. The light gray. It's almost like a, what is that? Like almost like a sage, I want to say. It's so light gray that it almost looks like it could be going to an eggnog. I don't know, but it's beautiful. New appliances. Okay, now we're going into the storage area that's right here by the kitchen. Little pantry action. And then this is the laundry room. So there's not a washer and dryer in this space yet. There will be one. But look at all this storage. You got storage going all the way across a closet in the laundry room. Hello. All of this storage, front to back, both walls. Here is the garage, which is a nice size. It's 2-car. Windows, again, not feeling it, but hey, for someone out there, this is the perfect home. Check out the website, you guys. Okay, it's right there across the screen, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Okay, so we're walking downstairs to the basement. The basement's gonna be the same size as the upstairs. So you've got all of this storage over here. Let's just take a walk. Let's go for it. Yep, we're walking, we're going. Here is all the storage on the one side that can be done with whatever you guys would want to do with it, or anybody. I mean, hey, let's just let our minds wander here. And here is the main area of the basement. What I love about this one, you got another kitchen. You could easily come down there, put a refrigerator and a freezer combo, and maybe like a little, I don't know, you might want to have like a little tabletop stove down there. You could easily rent that out. This is a really good space to have. You've got this bathroom, full bath, extra storage, a nice full bath. Look at this. A nice full bath at that. This would be a perfect space to rent out if you wanted to. I mean, hey, it's 2023. You never know what's going on out here, but if you are awake and you're thinking ahead, that might be an option. That could be something. And here's a whole nother bedroom that's not being accounted for in the floor plan upstairs. You could rent that out. This is the whole apartment right here. You got the windows for it. I mean, it's not the basement's not all the way closed off. You've got the windows. It's light enough. Might be in the right city. You might be able to charge somebody something and cover your mortgage. Just saying. All right, we're going back upstairs. And yeah, one final look at the main area that we just toured. This is a beautiful home. I like the floor plan. Okay, thank you guys. Subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys in another episode.